Hello world, there's only one race, which is the human race. We can't keep going through this pain. The whole world is suffering. Religion separates us more and more. We are constantly at war amongst each other, amongst ourselves. No afterlife, we are in hell. We must rise above it all. We need peace, do you feel me? Oh, I am you, and you are me, and we are one big family. I am you, and you are me, and we are one big family. Yeah. A lot of love. La 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 love. La 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 love. La 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 love. Our communities are filled with drugs. Murder rates high, guns keep blowing off. We are quick to rob and steal. Over what's a dollar bill? Man, this shit doesn't make sense to me. It's a moral value thing. We must rise above it all. We need peace, do you feel me? Oh, I am you, and you are me, and we are one big family. I am you, and you are me, and we are one big family. Yeah. A lot of love. A lot of love. A lot of love. A lot of love. Love all. Peace.